Okay. What's up, guys? Probably Eclipse Etek 1 with some pretty slick E-blade grips on it. Went through the whole thing. LPR, HPR, pulled the ramp sleeve out. There's some debris in there. The valve stem had some mushrooming. Didn't need to replace it. I fixed it. Rebuilt the ASA. Shooting the control hopper today. Luckily, I have this barrel, because I believe this is the barrel that goes on stock Eteks. But this one is Freak XL board, shooting 689 because it's cold out. Replace the eyes, stock board. Good to go. 285, 298, 289, 278, 293. This paint's all over the place, unfortunately. A clack of an Etek. And what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, semi-auto. For the day, it was quite the gun. Still is, honestly. A couple barrel breaks in there. Yeah, breeches clean. You can see that. Couple barrel breaks. It's cold out. It's crappy paint. It happens. Anyway, guys, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.